Today in this 2007 Ford Explorer, we're going to show you the CURT Class 3 2-inch receiver hitch, part number 13112. Alright, this is what the hitch looks like when it's installed on our Explorer. Now you notice right off the bat, this hitch is actually installed just below the factory hitch in the bumper structure here. One thing to know is that when you have this in place, do not use this one anymore. This is designed to replace it, so don't put a trailer here and a bike rack here. The back of the vehicle is not rated for that kind of load. This is our 2-inch opening right here. It has a nice rounded collar around it for reinforcement. It has a 5/8 of an inch hitch pin hole for your hitch pin or your favorite lock. Okay. Does use a nice flat piece of steel for your safety chain loops. And it goes into a rounded steel body that goes all the way out to the ends, to the frame, and bolts up to the frame using existing holes. All right, now you notice one thing, for our wire harness, we've zip tied it to the hitch because the bracket this is originally sitting on will actually interfere with the hitch, so it has to be removed. Easy 1-bolt part to remove, and you're good to go to install the hitch. The hitch by itself is rated for 500 pounds tongue weight, which is the weight pulling down the hitch, and 5,000 pounds pull weight. Now when you add a weight distribution assembly to the hitch, the tongue weight actually goes up to 800 pounds and 8,000 pounds pulling weight. Now always double check with your owner's manual to make sure that your vehicle can carry these kinds of weights. Next we'll go ahead and give you some measurements to help you out in selecting some accessories for your hitch, such as a ball mount, a bicycle rack, or a cargo carrier. From top of receiver opening down to the ground will be about 17 inches. And the hitch pin hole in relationship to the edge of the bumper is going to be about 1/4 inch past the bumper. Now we'll go ahead and show you how we installed the hitch. Now you can see that our Explorer has a hitch already built into the bumper structure. However, our new CURT hitch is designed to work with or without the factory hitch in place. All right, first up is go ahead, we have to remove this bracket right here. So our 4-pole wire harness has to be removed first. It's a friction fit, you just pull it down, and we'll just let that go to the side for now, and we'll unbolt the bracket using a 13mm socket. Now we'll go ahead and show you where the hitch will install on the vehicle. It's going to use this oval hole here and this round hole up on top. Okay, for now we're going to concentrate on the oval holes. Inside the frame we're going to install this large block and a carriage bolt. Now all the carriage bolts are going to be the same length. We'll install all hardware through this access hole up here. This is the bolt leader that comes with the hitch. We'll go ahead and run it through the hole we're going to use and out our access hole. We'll take our block, thread it through, push it inside the frame. Tight fit, but it does want to go. Thread on the bolt onto the bolt leader. Push it in, guide it out the bottom. Carefully remove the bolt leader. We'll repeat this same process over on the passenger side. All right, we're almost ready to put our hitch up onto the vehicle. Let's go ahead and put our bolt back into the bumper structure for that metal bracket. All right, now for X set of hands, we'll go ahead and put the hitch up onto the first 2 bolts. It's going to be a tight fit as we install it. Then we'll go ahead and put on our flange nuts. We will make sure our hitch can be pushed up all the way up into the frame and line up the holes on the side of the frame. All right, now to install our hardware, once again, we'll go ahead and use our bolt leader and route out our access hole. This time we'll install the smaller block and the same kind of bolt. And we'll install another flange nut. Driver's side done. One more time on the passenger side. All right, now with all our hardware installed, we can go ahead and tighten it down using a 3/4 inch socket. Then we'll torque the bolts down with a torque wrench, going by torque specifications in the instructions. All right, let's go ahead and get the 4-pole back out. We had it up by our spare tire for now. And let's go ahead and use provided zip tie and attach it to your hitch. Personal preference for where you zip tie it. I think we'll go ahead and zip tie it to the hitch right here. Cut off the excess zip tie and we'll be finished. That'll finish it for our install of the CURT Class 3 2-inch receiver hitch, part number 13112 on this 2007 Ford Explorer.